Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a poll on YouTube app on Android and iPhone. So what you need to do is click on this YouTube app. Now make sure that your YouTube app is updated from the Play Store or the App Store. Once you update it, open the YouTube app, sign into your account in which you want to post the poll. Now you need to click on the plus sign here. Okay, now you'll get these options. Now you need to click on the last option, which is create a post. Now if you don't see create a post option, that means the community tab is not available for your account. Now if you have community tab, then create a post option will be coming on the plus sign. After you click on the plus sign, click on create a post. Now you will be here. Now on the left hand side here bottom, you can see the option for the stats like option here, bottom left corner. Click on that one option and you'll get ask your community. I'm going to ask a question here. Which company is best? Okay, something like that. And then you need to click give options, Apple, Microsoft, add another option, Tesla. Okay, something like that. Once you do it, click on post here. Now you'll be able post created. You can click on view here. Okay, now people will start voting on these posts, and you will be able to see the results just like this one that I have asked created polls previous 8 days ago. You can see yes, no, and something like that, and percentage, and these ones. Okay, so something like that. So this is how you can make a poll on YouTube app on Android and iPhone. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.